This is the QQH 15.6-inch Type-C triple portable monitor. I've already unwrapped the plastic covering. This is what the inside of the box looks like. First, we have the user manual, which has setup instructions for Windows and Mac laptops along with Android phones. Next, we have this sheet with troubleshooting instructions in case something goes wrong. On the back are more setup instructions. Now, let's get onto the main component. Here's the monitor itself. It has a decent weight to it and was pretty heavy holding it with one hand, at least for me. Underneath there are cables, driver, and outlet adapter. This is the cable that plugs into your laptop. It has a converter head that contains both USB-C and USB-A ports. The other end plugs into the monitor. This is the USB disk with the display driver, which you'll need to download onto your laptop. Then we have the power adapter. Lastly, we have the power supply cable, which is Type-C to USB-A. Here is a closer look at the monitor. It's folded down flat right now. This is what it looks like unfolded. There's a plastic protective covering on each screen, so I removed those. There's a left and a right screen. The middle is where your laptop would go, so then the monitors would act as extensions of your laptop screen. This product has a clean design. It has a matte black finish, and the screen is also matte. I really like that it's thin, the width being less than finger's width. Here are the ports for the cables. I'm plugging in the cable with the converter head on the top port here. Then I plug the other side into my laptop. As soon as I plugged it in, the monitors turned on but then shut off a couple seconds later. I realized I haven't downloaded the driver onto my laptop yet, so that's the next step. Going into the USB, click on the device you have. I have a Mac, so I click on that. That brings up several Mac OS. Choose the one that you have. After clicking that, this pops up. Drag the macOS Instant View down into the Applications folder, then double-click on the Applications to open the folder. Locate the macOS Instant View app and double-click on that. Click on Open System Preferences to allow this, and that's it for the driver. I'm plugging the monitor back in, and it works now. Going into Settings, I can see the two monitor screens. Click on Arrange, and you can arrange it however you like. I arranged it so that my laptop screen is in the middle. The monitors are ready to be used. You can extend your screen or mirror. I chose to extend. I haven't pushed the laptop all the way against the back yet, but I would definitely do that to make it flush with the monitors. The monitor can be used multiple ways. For example, you can use it vertical and with just one monitor.